Yes, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
How are you? I'm
I'm
fine, and you? Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello. Good
Introduce yourself.
afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yes, yes, I am listening. So first of all, as we are first meeting, so introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Thank you give me this opportunity. I am from Saranpur, UP. My name
Yes.
is Puspa. I completed my post graduation in education subject. I have
Yes.
two children, son and one daughter. There are four members in my family. My husband, I, and my two children.
So it's my turn,
Yes,
and
sir.
giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Mukesh Kumar Paswan from Nepal. If talk about my education, I have done CMA from Chinnamasta Institute of Technology, Rajviraj, Saptari, Nepal. I have done also graduate from Tirubani University, KTM, Nepal. If talk about my working, I am working in health post. I am a health person. I have a government job. My hobby is searching on new things, and my strength is communication skill. And if talk about my aim, I want to be a doctor. That's all about me.
Nice to hear you, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Sir, I know you very well because I have seen your lot of video
Okay.
on YouTube.
Did you see my video? Did you see? Did
Yes,
you
sir.
watch?
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you, thank you. So, what did you get?
I have been following you 2 and 3 months.
Oh, you are following 2 3 months.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. That's good. That's good.
Sir, when did you create your channel?
I have created 1 month ago. Okay, but other yeah, friends, I have he had uploaded my video. So, but now I have created, so I uploaded at this time. At least
Yes.
1 month ago, I created YouTube channel. My YouTube
Sir,
channel name is English with Mukesh.
yes, sir. Sir, what is the benefit of YouTube channel?
I have no any benefit. Just I would like to say I am a English learner, and who wants to learn, that person help my video. That is the main purpose. That is the main benefit. I don't take. I want to be earn a lot of money from YouTube. That is not my thing. Just my thing is I give education for others, which I know, which I can give education. That's I give other. That is my purpose. That is not my any beneficial, any benefit from YouTube. Okay, ma'am.
Because, sir, when we create our channel, we get co-learner easily for practice. We don't need to search co-learner.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, I understood. I understood. Co-learners are searching YouTube channel, and they are using a Skype application. Basically, in this field, I am seeing, I am watching, just like most of peoples are talking conversation each other. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
after then, when I my experience, which platform do you use, and if I speak, so which application do you use, that abroad country, other country, can understood and can know me, and which I am speaking, which I am speaking, which which I am speaking. Yes, which I am speaking. So understanding. This is the main purpose, and a lot of wants to this app application, and everybody wants to create YouTube channel and provide on your video. That is, I think. That is, I think. Yes, you're not.
Yes, sir. Sir, how is important learning English nowadays? Is
How?
everyone learn to this language?
Yes, 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 yes. That is a normal questions. No, every person's why this language wants to learn. What is the cause behind it? So most of people wants to learn. Most people want to speak. That is no basically a lot of need, but nowadays most of people are speaking in English, and if you are anything searching YouTube, Google, that all are uploaded in English. Yes, there is no uploaded Hindi, means Nepali, Maithili, other language is not more uploaded in YouTube. Now become is social media. You uh, like ads, everything available in the media platform. Yes,
Mm.
Google, means Skype, other applications, they all are applications depend on English. So
Because sir, everything has written in English language nowadays.
yes, 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 yes. And if your children also wants to learn in English boarding school, don't want to learn Hindi boarding school, Hindi schools, government school, just they all are learn to English, because at this time most of persons, most of student, most of school, college, institution, you can any places, they all are using English language.
Yes,
So it
sir.
is the international language, it is the international. If you are from India, I am from Nepal, but
Yes, sir.
your native language is other, my native language is other, but English is one, so I can
Yes.
express with you easily, with it easily,
Because of
because
this language, we are talking to each other.
yes, because we are talking now. I at this time you and me talking only causes of English. If I don't know speak English, if I don't know English, I can't talk with you. You can't talk with me.
Yes,
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 this is the main
definitely.
benefit. This is the main benefit. This is the main cause of every person wants to learn English language, and everybody wants to travel other and enjoying a lot in the world. Yes, so this is the main platform. You can go any places, anywhere, any person can connect easily, like as America, London, Europe, uh, Brazil. You can any country connected with by English language. Yes, this is the benefit, and they must wants to learn. That's why this is the English language. Yes.
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, when did you start learning this language?
Yes, if at least 5 months ago, 5 6 months ago.
Did you learn grammar?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. Grammar. You have to learn. If you grammar learn easily, and just like means tense, you are talking at this time present tense and past tense, future tense. There are three tense. You are every time talked. No, without tense you can't talk. Yes, so necessary grammar. Grammar means it is the pillar of English language. You don't know grammar, you cannot speak. Yes, you can speak. Rickshaw puller also can speak English, but they are not speaking right. They are speaking wrong sometimes. Yes, in language means you will be under a stable other. That is language. That is no problem. If you educated person, so to you have to speak right. You don't speak wrong. Yes, this is the causes of grammar. If you study grammar, then you have a capacity. Oh, I am speaking right. I am speaking wrong. So it is the capacity of grammar. So without grammar, I cannot learn English language. Yes, this is the pillar.
Yes,
If
sir.
you know, if you know ABCD, after that you can make word. You can make sentence. If you don't know ABCD, how can you make sentence? How can you make words? That's it. Causes grammar is important. If grammar you know, then you can speak English easily. Grammar is
Sir,
important.
how long have you been practicing video call and audio call?
3 months ago.
Only 3 months ago.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now you are speaking well.
No, no, no. I am not speaking well, but something is speaking. I am just. I am listening a lot. Many conversation, video, postcards, news. You can listen a lot every day. Minimum half hour, 1 hour, 2 hour every day. And study means like as any topic choose. Drug education, television, aeroplane, cow, buffaloes, child labor, dowry system. You choose one topic, okay, and you study and thinking, writing. They a lot of help us when you speak English language. If in your brain you have word in your brain, then you can speak English easily. If you have no words in your brain, so you can't speak. So that's why you have to speak a lot, you have to study a lot, and after then you have to speak easily. I
Yes, sir,
have done,
definitely.
I had done everything. That's why I am speaking a little bit good before than better.
Yes, sir. Sir, how many sessions do you take in a day?
There is no fix, no guarantee. If available is 2 session, 3 session, 4 session, 5 session, 5 session, no more than at this time. Only I last day I took 5 session.
Sir, do you love this language?
A lot of. There have no limitation. A lot of.
Likewise,
Yes.
sir. Sir, this language attracts me a lot.
Okay, that's
That's
good.
why
That's
I started learning this language.
yes, yes, yes. This is the main cause. If you want to learn from heart, if you have curiosity, if you have consistency, you can easily learn. If any
Yes,
person
sir.
you learn, if any person you have to you learn English language, you learn English, you don't want to learn English, but you are from. I have to learn. I have to
To
do.
learn. Yes, sir.
Yes, after then it is easy to learn, no difficult. It is a language. It is a language. Just you are speaking Hindi, so your language. English is language. Why cannot I speak English? Practice make man perfect. If you do practice a
Yes.
lot, you do get knowledge a lot. If you do not practice, you do not get knowledge. This is the truth.
Yes, sir. Sir, if we have burning desire, we will learn this language one day definitely.
Yes, yes, definitely. I had experience. I have experience. Only 6 months I have done. I had done. So I am speaking at this level. That is my experience. I would like to say, if you do consistency,
If you have curiosity, then you can learn. I have also curiosity. Oh my god, most of people are speaking English, but I cannot speak English. Why I cannot speak English? Just try
Yes, sir.
to, and after then I am getting, at this time I am speaking easily, and no hesitation, no confusion, no afraid, easily speaking, and nothing problem. Just I am relaxing, and I am searching who is speaking with me. What some days ago, 5 months ago, 6 months ago, I am afraid him. I can't speak English, but I am searching nowadays who can speak me, who can speak with me. That is my benefit. Yes or not?
Yes, sir. Your benefit, definitely you get the benefit having
Yes.
conversation. Sir, how much time did you spend with this language in initial days?
Yes. I would like to some suggest. Just you have 1 hour every day. Give 1 hour every day. Continuity. Don't close once a day. Don't close one day. Every day you have to regularly 1 hour
1 hour.
and 1 week.
Yes, sir. Because
Yes,
sir, you are working person, you are doing job. That's why
I have
you
no
have
time. So
less
your question,
time
yeah,
to
you have no time.
practice.
You are working in hospital. You are doing a lot of work, but you have no time. So how did you give? How do you give your question? Yes,
Yes, sir.
definitely. I save my time. I have a curiosity. I would like to learn. I have to do for me, no others. So I have chosen. I have distinguished time. 1 hour in my office duty hour is 10 to 4 p.m. 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. But after then I am free. That times I use.
Yes,
So
sir.
I am
Definitely.
speaking at this time. You have curiosity, then you can do. You can
Yes,
save
sir.
your time. That is possible
Sir,
for
how
you.
many member in your family?
Oh, I have a nuclear family. There are 5 members in my family. Uh, okay, 3 kids and I, me, my
You
wife.
and your wife.
Yes.
Sir, which medium are you from? Hindi medium, English medium?
No, I am Hindi medium, means Nepali medium. I am Nepalese. Okay, I don't learn Hindi medium. I learn Nepali medium. My native language is Maithili. Yes,
Okay. Your native language.
Maithili.
What is your native language?
Maithili.
Nepali?
Do you Bengali? No, Maithili.
Maithili.
Yes.
I
What
don't know Maithili.
what is your native language?
Hindi, sir.
Okay, Hindi language matchable like as Maithili. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? ओके,
Yes,
तुम्हारा
sir.
नाम क्या है? तो मैथिली
Yes,
हुआ
sir.
तोहर नाम की छो?
Yes, sir.
तोहर नाम की छो? तुम्हारा घर किधर है? तोहर घर कत हो? That is
Yes, sir.
Hindi Maithili.
Yes, sir.
Matchable. No big difference. Maithili Hindi, just like as same, little bit.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Punjabi, Hindi uh, means little bit difference. I
yeah,
can understand Punjabi language.
you can understand Punjabi language, but I cannot understand Punjabi language. I can understand Nepali language. You cannot understand Nepali language.
Yes, sir. I know. I I don't know understand Nepali.
Yes. Okay.
Okay,
So,
sir.
ma'am, nice. Yes. Ask question. You have any questions?
No, sir. I don't have any question.
Yes.
I will come again with lot of question talking to you.
Okay, no problem. If you have time, you can call in for me and I can connect with you. Okay, no problem.
Thank you, sir. Give me your precious time. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day.
Nice talk to with you.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.